Over time, your vehicle's HVAC evaporator will become a breeding ground for a variety of contaminants. It's inevitable. Living microorganisms within your AC's evaporator produce mold and bacteria that can foster severe allergic and respiratory reactions. In addition, the buildup of these contaminants hinders your AC's performance. Heating and cooling efficiency is compromised. In the past, the only way to clean a dirty evaporator was to dismantle the entire ventilation system part by part, an expensive procedure that took hours to accomplish. Now, there's a simple and cost-effective way to clean a dirty evaporator. DWD2 Clean Air. DWD2 Clean Air Evaporator Cleaner was developed, formulated, and patented following extensive research and testing. Today, DWD2 Clean Air Evaporator Cleaner remains the best in the automotive marketplace because of its time-proven efficacy and cost-effectiveness. It simply works.